Good morning, guys. I just woke up, so I'm just about to vacuum my room. Then I'm going to go around and vacuum the house. I just have me a little bowl just to start my morning. Thanks, guys. Okay. I already told this to my husband. I said we are gonna try and eat healthy. I don't know how long it will last for, but at least we can give it a try, right? My nephew just left for school, and I just finished vacuuming the floor. I just remembered I didn't get something out of the fridge for dinner. I got out the chops, the lamb chops. So I think I'll fry them and make mashed potatoes and have it with mixed veggies and gravy. Anyway, it's not a fancy breakfast, guys. But here's yours. I'm dying to go to the night market that's nearby. But at the moment, I don't have a vehicle because my husband's not back yet. When he gets here, we'll go and buy us one. But I don't want to go and buy it on my own because I wouldn't know what to pick. I'm going to pick a scooter. The other day, I got to talk to my mother. It was so funny. She's so funny, that little woman. Yeah, and she's still trying to fight the nurses. And Sharon was saying something like, the nurses were talking, and then they said, oh, Maria will sort them out. And I thought, oh, she shouldn't touch any of them, you know? Because I did tell my mother that I'm coming to New Zealand. But because she's got dementia, she'll forget 5 minutes later. There are some stuff that she remembers all the time. And when she locks that particular thing in her mind, that's the thing she repeats over and over until something else comes along and takes over of that repetitive thing that she remembers. It was really hard for Sharon to walk away and leave her grandma at the nursing home. She kept saying, oh, slack, but, you know, seeing my mother healthy, healthy, still happy, that's what she needs. So even if she was in our care, there will be some stuff that we can do the most that we can. Any of us, if we take our parents home, we can do, but there are some things that's lacking. But we wouldn't know that. We're not doctors. And not all doctors, but some doctors, they miss out on noticing things. Like some doctors, they'll just listen to the chest and stuff like that. But they don't really look into it. But there are some doctors that's really concerned about what you're telling them. Those are the kind of doctors that I repeatedly go to. The doctors that you need in your life. There are some doctors you go and talk to. You're talking to them and they're busy writing or typing, and to me that's not a doctor that's focusing on what you're saying. So they can miss something important that you're saying. My husband is dying to come back, but he has to stay over there for a bit. When my kids went over to Paki Market last weekend, they recorded a little bit of stuff and then they sent it to me and they said, Mum, this is for your vlog, please add it in. So I'll add that in.
Welcome back to Faye Vids vlogs. For this part, we are taking over. This is a vlog from Australia, from Sydney, Australia. We're currently in Parkley Market, and so who's here is me, Geneva, Savannah, Noah, Chris, Dad, and Hope. We're having a family day out at Parkley. And yeah, right now we're trying to find the entry, but we'll be back soon. What I'm vlogging right now is dumpling and noodle bar. You guys have probably seen this on Mum's channel before, but this place is Mum's favorite place to come and eat her wonton noodle soups and her Chinese dishes. This vlog is more so for my mum than it is for you viewers. Only because my mum isn't here anymore to enjoy these family moments with us. Literally everyone's vlogging for my mum. Yeah, we miss you, mummy. Your family misses you, your husband misses you, your kids miss you. I found a twin. Mum, wait, hold on, I hope she turns around. Oh, she didn't turn around, but she's a short little girl with the short hair. Oh, look at her, Mum, look at your twin.
And also, there's another recording, I can't remember what. But anyway. Oh yeah, I went with my sister-in-law. We went to the warehouse. Yeah, it's quite nice in there, eh? No wonder a lot of people are shopping there. Good morning, guys. So I'm inside the warehouse. You know, the warehouse, where everyone gets a bargain. So let's go. These are my kind of stuff. Anyway, I'm here with my sister-in-law to get something for a TV so the TV doesn't flop down. So straps. So she's asking the customer service, but I thought I'll come through and walk around and see what's going on. There's copyright in the background, but I'll have to edit that out. So I don't know where my sister, I shouldn't go too far because she might have to look for me. But anyway, we're on this side of, where we stay. This kind of reminds me of Kmart, right? So I'm after a dressing gown. Not that one. Better go look for my sister-in-law. So we walked into this bakery, guys, and this is some of the food that they have. I gotta go, but look at that yummy looking custard pie there. Oh la la, yummy. But I want to show you guys this oyster pie. Yeah, oyster pie and chips. Because I don't know what. So they got the usual bacon and egg and steak and cheese. But I'm after this oyster pie. Hope they got a few oysters in there. Anyway, yep. You gotta get this, guys. Okay. And I want to get me hot chips and a sausage. Yeah, hi. So I've got my chips, guys. Chips, my oyster pie, and my sausages. Okay, we're gonna try out this oyster pie, guys. That's what it looks like on top. Okay. Take a bite. Do you wanna half this with me? You wanna half this with me? I'll get a knife and half it. No, I'll probably have sausage. Oh, yeah, I've got a sausage. All the bacon is always the same animal sausages So, you got no nice little No, I just got pastry instead. Pastry. It looks like normal pie, but they must add the oyster in it. There's a little oyster there. Here's the oyster, guys. Oh, wow. Does it taste? Tastes soft. Nice. So it's normal meat pie where they just chuck some chopped up oysters in it. There were meals there, but just better. Got a lime milkshake, guys. Cheers. It even has cheese down the bottom. It's different.
No, I don't give me a leg.